So I really want to share why I was so excited about doing this workshop. I always felt that I needed some help to manifest what I wanted in my life. And I read so many things about doing affirmations, doing exercise that were not guiding me. It was not really clear. But with Muktashi, it was very easy to have a goal and then to have a structure, different exercise, different techniques, meditations. It was very guided, it was very clear, and I really had this feeling that it's going to work. Before I was always doubting and I didn't have security. I didn't trust in the information that I was getting, but he's so clear to transmit the info, to tell us how to do it, why it's important to do it. So I felt that it was very good. And the best thing is that I have this motivation and kind of willpower to do it, And I really love this idea that whatever I ask is there for me. I just really need to believe that it's possible. And then it's all about my own power. It's not outside. It's me, that I need to work with my mind to create what I want, to manifest the life that I really want. So I hope you will enjoy it as much as I did. And then you will have whatever you want. It can be spiritual or it can be material. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want, you can get it. So I hope to see you there and that you will enjoy also as much as I did. Thank you.